Hey everyone, want to change fonts using Google Fonts? In this video, I'll show you how to replace and customize fonts step by step. First, open the Google Fonts website and choose a font that matches your project style. Next, select the font styles and weights you want to use, then copy the provided embed code or download the font files. If you're using a website, add the Google Fonts link to your HTML file or import it through your CSS file. Now apply the new font using the *** font family ** property for the text elements you want to change. You can update headings, paragraphs, buttons, menus, and other sections to create a consistent design. Next, adjust font size, weight, spacing, and line height to improve readability and appearance. I mean, small typography changes can make your website or design look much more professional. Finally, preview your project on different devices to make sure the new fonts display correctly. And that's how to change fonts using Google Fonts. With thousands of free options available, you can easily customize the look and feel of your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.